Until now, when we used the if-then code part to ask a question before executing some code, we only asked one question. Sometimes you must ask multiple questions at once, and for this you need to use logical operators like and or. Logical operators allow you to link multiple questions together and check whether the combination is true or false. We'll use logical operators to fix two problems with the game. First, when the rocket flames touch the landing pad, the rocket stops and just floats above the landing pad. Second, even after you've landed the ship and the stop message is sent, you can still fire the rockets. To fix the first problem, we'll modify the landing check thread to ask the following combination of questions. If the rocket ship sprite is touching the landing pad, and the part of the sprite that is touching is the color red, then broadcast the stop message. To shut off the rockets after the stop message is sent, we need to add a bit of code to some of the threads in the spaceship sprite: the thrust thread, the rocket animation thread, and the rocket sound thread. We only want these threads to work when the spacebar is pressed and the stop message is not sent. So add isStopSent equals no to each thread so that rocket thrust, animation, and sound only work when the space key is pressed and the stop message is not sent. Now press the flag button to try it. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.